Math Talk series, question number 66, and this is an example of an age problem. Anna is twice as old as her sister Bea. 4 years ago, the sum of their ages was 28. How old is Anna now? A 16, B 20, C 24, D 18. Let's identify that Bea's age is equal to 8, followed by Anna's age, which is equal to 2x. Ang hinahanap natin is si Anna. Based from the problem, yung word na 4 years ago, let's insert that from the equation. Alright, so we have Bea's age, which is x minus 4. Magdagdag lang tayo. Then, si Anna's age, we have 2x minus 4. Then, based from the given, the sum of their ages was 28. Kunin natin yon. So, let's combine x minus 4 plus 2x minus 4 equals 28. Okay? So, let's combine the like terms. So, from this, we're going to identify that x minus 4 plus 2x minus 4 equals 25. I-add lang natin si x saka si 2x. That gives you 3x. Then, negative 4 minus 4, that's negative 8, equals 28. Then, magta-transpose lang ito dito sa kabila. So, we have 3x is equal to 28 plus 8, that is equal to 36. Then, divide both sides by 3 para makuha natin yung value ni x, and 36 divided by 3, that is equal to 12. So, ito yung edad ni Bea. But sa question, ang hinahanap ay si Anna. Therefore, Bea's age is 12 years old now. Then si Anna, which is 2x, so 2 times 12, that is equal to 24. Therefore, Anna's age is 24 years old. Letter C tayo sa part na to. Thank you so much, and follow Math Talks for more videos. Mabuhay po kayo.